Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to do your own mask. Looks like we're gonna have to get creative here and just get this going. So I'm going to use a sports bra. You see where I'm going with this? To make a cup for my face. And I'm also gonna try to do one with a washcloth, just to kind of duplicate something that's gonna cover your face, something to make it like this kind of mask. I'm going to use the sewing kit, some scissors, and some needle and thread that I have for weaving, and we're gonna get it popping, so stay tuned. Hey you guys, it's your girl Sin. So today I wanted to show you how I make a mask out of a sports bra, and this is the sports bra that I'm going to use. I'm using some scissors and some needle and thread. So right here I'm trying to see what's the best way to cut my face so that way I don't have any pockets of air. So I took the sports bra and put it over my head, and I thought, I can make this work. And since I do weaves, well, I used to, I have a whole bunch of supplies. So I went and I used an elastic band to bridge the gap between where the sports bra is cut and how to meet it on the other side. So you will see that I will cut it down the middle. So that's the back area. I'm cutting that to split it in half to make two even sides of a cup to cover my face. So I mostly want to cover my nose and my mouth, so you want to concentrate on that. So I found a way to cut it in between. I'm adding the elastic band with needle and thread, and you're just sewing however you sew. You don't have to make a big deal about it. I didn't. I just sewed it to attach it on there, and I'm gonna add one piece to help it get some elasticity, so that way I can put it on and off on my face. And I'm gonna add a second piece to bridge the gap, because you want to make sure that it's secure and it's pulling, and that side is a bigger side, so you still want to make sure that you have it somehow covered and that it pulls in the chin area so that it goes to the other side where it needs to meet, and it can hold on the face and still give it that pull that it needs, so that your face is covered, your mouth is covered, your nose is covered. And then you're gonna sew it on the other side. I just put it on so I can constantly troubleshoot how I'm gonna do it. And I'm attaching it two together, and then I'm attaching it. So I'm thinking this is a good plan. I go ahead and attach it to the bra area, and I just sew it together to make that connection. And again, you just do whatever knots will work for you. You don't have to be great at sewing. Just make loops, and one side, bring it through the other side, and just do like those loops. And that's all you pretty much need. You don't need a sewing machine, but if you have one, you know how to use it, go ahead. I thought about doing it that way, but once I had the idea, I wanted to go ahead and do it. So now I'm about to put it on, and I have a slight problem. I just realized that this is not going to work. So I cannot put this over my head. So if I'm going to wear this mask, how am I going to wear it and it doesn't fit over my head? That means I have to make the elastic band a little bit bigger, and I want it to be snug. So I totally forgot about that piece. So I had to cut it out, cut it away, and I thought, this is like a bra. This is a bra, so why not make it the bra attachment piece? So I went back to the other side, and since it had adjustments, most bras have like levels, so you have 3 levels of how tight you need it. So I just took one level off and I cut it, and I added it to the elastic, which was a great idea. And you can see my wheels are spinning as I'm trying to make this little quick mask invention. I call it the anti-Rona bra mask, because a lot of people out here don't have any masks, and I'm in Brooklyn. And I went to the store here and there a couple of days, and I watched people not have masks. And it's very scary to see that they don't have any masks. Like, I know they want masks, but where can I get a mask from? I did go to a pharmacy, and they sold me an N95 mask for $12, and that's one. And I bought 6 for the entire family. So for those who can't make a mask, here is a video for you to make a mask. This might be a little complicated for you or not, but I wanted to share this version. There's going to be another version. So just like a bra, you attach it, and boom, it's on. If you like this method, you can go ahead and use it. You might not like the fact that it's above your head or between the eye, but you might, because it gives you a lot of protection. It comes all the way up to your face. Let me know